Imagine standing beneath a canopy, unlike anything on Earth today, surrounded by fruits that no human has ever seen, touched, or tasted. Entire worlds of vegetation once flourished across ancient landscapes, producing strange and remarkable fruits that vanished long before our species appeared. Their colors are lost. Their flavors are unknowable. And yet, scattered through layers of stone, these forgotten plants still leave behind clues to a botanical history stretching back millions of years. The story begins in a time when flowering plants were transforming the planet. Around 140 million years ago, during the age of dinosaurs, early fruit-bearing plants started spreading across ancient ecosystems. Before then, many plants reproduced through spores or exposed seeds. Flowers changed everything. They created new partnerships with insects and animals, allowing plants to distribute seeds more efficiently and colonize new environments. As flowering plants evolved, countless forms emerged. Many survived and eventually gave rise to fruits familiar today. Others disappeared completely, leaving no living descendants. Some are known only from fossilized seeds, preserved impressions, or rare specimens trapped within ancient sediments. One of the most fascinating examples comes from an extinct group called the Bennettitales. These plant-like organisms flourished during the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods. Although they were not true flowering plants, they produced complex reproductive structures that resembled flowers in surprising ways. Their seed-bearing organs may have attracted pollinating insects long before modern flowers dominated the landscape. By the end of the Cretaceous, however, they vanished entirely. Whatever fruits or seed structures they produced are now part of a lost evolutionary experiment. Millions of years later, ancient forests across North America, Europe, and Asia contained fruit-bearing species that have no modern equivalent. Fossils reveal seeds and fruits belonging to extinct relatives of familiar plant families. Some grew in warm, humid environments that no longer exist in those regions. Others thrived during periods when global temperatures were significantly higher than today. One remarkable example is the extinct genus Paleocarya. Related to modern walnuts, it produced distinctive fruits enclosed within wing structures. These adaptations likely helped the seeds travel on the wind. Fossils of Paleocarya have been discovered across vast areas of the Northern Hemisphere, suggesting that these trees once formed an important part of ancient forests. Yet changing climates and shifting ecosystems eventually eliminated them. Even more mysterious are fruits known only from fossil deposits where preservation was extraordinary. In some ancient lake beds, delicate fruit tissues survived long enough to reveal intricate details of their structure. Scientists can study their shapes and compare them to living plants, but the experience of tasting them remains forever beyond reach. Their sweetness, bitterness, texture, and aroma disappeared millions of years ago. The extinction of these fruits was often tied to larger changes unfolding across Earth. Climate shifts altered rainfall patterns and temperatures. Mountain ranges rose, changing wind systems and regional environments. Continents drifted apart, isolating populations. Species that could not adapt gradually declined and disappeared. The event that ended the age of dinosaurs approximately 66 million years ago also reshaped plant life. When an asteroid struck near present-day Mexico, massive environmental disruptions followed. Dust and aerosols blocked sunlight, reducing photosynthesis across much of the planet. Fossil evidence suggests that many plant species vanished during this period. Entire ecological networks collapsed. Some fruits and seed-bearing plants never recovered. Yet extinction did not end innovation. New forests emerged from the survivors. The ancestors of modern apples, grapes, palms, and countless other fruit-bearing plants expanded into ecological spaces left vacant by those that had disappeared. The fruits available today represent only a small surviving branch of a much larger evolutionary tree. Perhaps the most intriguing lost fruits are those connected to animals that no longer exist. Many ancient plants relied on large herbivores to disperse their seeds. In some cases, scientists believe extinct mammals consumed fruits and carried seeds across great distances. When those animals vanished, the plants faced new challenges. Some adapted, others gradually faded from the landscape. Every fossil fruit is a reminder that Earth's botanical history is far richer than the world we know today. Beneath deserts, forests, and mountains lie traces of ecosystems that once flourished for millions of years. They produced fruits of astonishing diversity, shaped by climates, animals, and environments that have long since disappeared. No human will ever taste these fruits. Their flavors vanished before the first cities, before agriculture, before humanity itself. Yet their legacy survives in stone, revealing a forgotten world where evolution experimented endlessly, creating forms both familiar and strange. Through those silent fossils, the lost fruits of ancient Earth continue to tell their story, offering a rare glimpse into landscapes that time has almost completely erased.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake.